Welcome to another great tutorial, which I'm going to hold on the R36Max device that I have right here. And I have a device which has ROS, the latest version of ROS for clone. It has games, a couple of games installed with Portsmaster, but as you can see, there are no retro games with emulators which are supported. Actually, the device supports like dozens of emulators and over like 3,000 games. But in order to have these games available, you need to have the ROM file. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the games on this device, provided that you have the ROM file, and make it work that you can have a great experience while playing. It can happen that this SD card, which you get when you buy the device, is going to be like formatted by mistake, or maybe data gets corrupted, so you lose all this data. But there are a couple of sites out there where you can maybe download the ROM files. Now, the thing is that it's not the most legal thing to do. I'm not sure where and how do they obtain it when you get the device, but you need to acquire the ROM file via published and legal channel. So, provided that you have ROM file, or maybe you can get the ROM file from an original device, from the cartridge or from the cassette, then you're going to be fine. It's okay for personal use and for backup storage. So in this video, let's see if you have the ROM file, how can you install it? And I'm going to use today for a demonstration the Nintendo DS, which we don't see it in the options, but it's supported by the Arc OS version. So let's dive into it. I'm going first to shut down my device. And once it's shut down, I'm going to remove the SD card. And this SD card, I will have one adapter, and I'll plug it in my laptop. Now I'm inserting my SD card into the computer. And if I go right here in the Easy ROMs, I can see all these emulators which are practically supported by the ArcOS. And today we are going to show how to add a game for Nintendo DS. These devices, all these emulators are coded, so NDS stands for Nintendo DS. And you can see here it's really empty. We have some folders, but they are practically or mostly empty. There's nothing much. So we don't have any kind of game. Now what I will do is that I do have one zip file with a game which I acquired from my previous SD card, and we are going to use this one to copy it over to our NDS folder. So whenever you are copying it, make sure that it's in the Easy ROMs and NDS, or the emulator that you choose. But beware, the files might be differently. They might have a different extension. If you open this file, you will see that it has the one file with the NDS extension, but you don't really need to extract it, so you just copy over the zip completely. Now, one particular thing is that it's not enough just to copy this file, so we need, because we don't have any configuration, we need a game list XML file. And I'm going to create one for now, which is called gamelist.xml. And let's edit. Not in this editor, I do have my own editor. Game list XML here. And I do also have a copy from the last SD card. So you need, this is the basic structure of the configuration file. So you will need to have this configuration in order for the emulator to find the game. So practically Here we specify the provider, the software and web. In this part, I will just put my own website. And you need to have then a game tag with a path. We select the NDS zip, New Super Mario Bros. And the name of the game, which will be New Super Mario Bros.nds. We save this file, and then we need to remove properly the SD card from the computer. We don't need to do anything else. We don't touch any other folders. And if you have more zip files with the games, just add them, and don't forget to add them in the game list. And we are ready to eject the SD card. Now I unplugged my SD card from the laptop. I'll just take it out of the adapter and I'll plug it in my device, in my R36Max. Make sure it's fitted well, and let's see how it goes. We are waiting for it to boot up properly. And boom, we see Nintendo DS now, with one game available. Let's see if our game starts. Ooh, ooh, we have something. Oh, I have a cursor which I can move it. But the game started. Let's see how it works. Ah, I already skipped. Okay. Uh, okay. Mario's girlfriend was kidnapped. Oh, that was a trap. Too bad. Okay. We are in level 1. Yeah. Let's see. So it doesn't work with this button, with the joystick. We just use the arrow keys. Oh! I was killed by the mushroom. Shit. I'm not really good at this type of games. Anyway, I'm just playing to show you around that, and also to prove you that it works. I got caught by the mushroom again. That's hilarious. Yeah, let's try one more. Let's let's wait for the mushroom to come. Whoop, bam, boom, down it goes. Bam, bam. Oh, another mushroom. Shit, it's coming for me. It got me. Oh, I got some cash. Okay, can I jump on the that one? Nah, I guess it's too late. Jump on the mushroom, baby. But it's actually having a strange, like a delay. But I'm absolutely sure that this is how the game was designed. You know, it has this delay, and it kind of pisses me off. Oh, Mario ate the mushroom, so he got big ass Mario. Hey, he has a sort of a gravity style. I mean, of moving. It's like being on the moon. Maybe he was over the moon in love with his girlfriend, which is now kidnapped. She has been abducted by that terrific monster, and he needs to get his girlfriend back. So he cannot live a life without his girlfriend, so he has to fight for it. But I will leave you to play these games because I'm not really good at this type of games. I prefer to repair the devices or to just have a good programming on them session. But yeah, they can be really addictive. So yeah, I hope that in this video you clarified and you got an idea about uh, how to add the custom ROMs into your device so that you can play custom games. But remember, you have to acquire these games from a public and legal source, or from the original SD card, because they can be like shareware and it's not okay to publish them anywhere, so you need to be careful with that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope this video was really educational for you, and I hope that you learned something out of it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find it useful, and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!